The trait system is one of the unique features in Palmon Survival. We can have heroes with different traits to dominate the battle. Welcome to the Meta Instincts channel. Traits may seem like small bonuses, but can significantly impact battle performance, base productivity, and even how you build your squads. Let's take a closer look at how it works. Fundamental. Every Palmon can have up to 4 traits. However, not all Palmon are created equal. Some may only have 1 trait, while others come with 2 or 3. These traits are randomly assigned when the Palmon is hatched, captured, or bred. They come in 4 rarities: orange, S purple, A blue, B, and gray, C. Orange traits are the most powerful, offering the biggest bonuses. Purple and blue traits give decent boosts, while gray traits are negative. They weaken your Palmon. For example, a gray trait called pushover reduces defense by 4%, making your Palmon take more damage in battle. Therefore, if you have one with a gray trait, don't bring it to battle. Consider dismissing it to get some token if it doesn't have other valuable traits. We can view all available traits in the game from the trait filter section of the nursery. Traits come in all rarities and have different bonus values. For instance, the orange ruthless trait gives plus 8% critical damage. The purple version brutal offers 4%, and the blue version mean gives 3%. Meanwhile, the gray version softy reduces critical damage by 3%. While a Palmon cannot have 2 traits of the same name and rarity, it can have the same trait in different rarities. For instance, we breed a Maximito with 3 engineer traits. 1 orange, 1 purple, and 1 blue. Each trait reduces construction time independently, and the effects stack. That gives us a total reduction of 22 minutes for every building upgrade. These small bonuses may seem minor, but they add up over time. However, breeding a Palmon with 3 engineered traits isn't easy. Please comment breed if you want to know how we made it. If you're buying a bundle in Palmon Survival, GemZ is ready to help you save more and get more value. GemZ helps thousands of players save digital taxes and offers up to 15% discount on bundles. For example, UK players would pay over $125 for the same bundle, which only sells at $100 for the US players. With GemZ, it's just $87.99, saving over 30% from digital tax and discount, and you save even more as you spend. Plus, first-time users will get a $10 credit for any bundle. Inviting friends can earn you an additional $20 in in-game rewards. Take advantage of flash deals and giveaways on their Discord server. Click the link in the description and start saving today with GemZ. Trait type. Traits in Palmon Survival generally fall into 3 categories: offensive, defensive, and productivity. Offensive traits boost your Palmon's damage in battle. They include boosts to attack, critical rate, critical damage, and accuracy. They're perfect for your back row Palmon, who focuses on dealing as much damage as possible. The defensive traits improve survivability by increasing defense, HP, critical damage reduction, evasion, and stun resistance. These traits suit your front row Palmon who must tank hits and survive longer in battle. Productivity traits don't affect battle but boost your resource production and base building. For example, these traits boost the magicking, experience, and dreamium output rate. Others, like engineers, reduce construction time, which is especially useful in the early game. In fact, using a combination of engineered traits and Maximito's 3rd skill, we can cut down nearly 3 hours from every building upgrade. Some low-level buildings can even be completed instantly. Some traits reduce training and research times, which help you progress faster overall. So don't ignore productivity traits, they're game changers for efficient growth. Swap traits. One of the best features in Palmon Survival is the ability to swap traits between duplicate Palmon. Let's say your main Platypus has average traits, but you got a duplicate with better traits like Robust and Steel Skull. Instead of restarting and leveling up the new one, you can use the swap traits feature to transfer those powerful traits to your main Platypus. This lets you always keep your best Palmon without wasting XP or resources, and it's beneficial when you get a lucky pull with perfect traits. In the next video, we'll go deeper into the breeding feature in Palmon Survival, where we show how to pass on and stack traits strategically. If you're interested in that, please comment breeding below. Alright, it is the end of the sharing today. Please like and share it with your members. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.